Yeah.
Hey, what's up guys, Sal here. Today I'm in krita, or krita, whatever you want to call it. And I just want to do a bit of drawing. A link to what tablet I'm using to draw will be in the description. It's super cheap, it's like $17. It is the, let me see, what is it? It is the Huion 420 drawing tablet. Huion is an amazing company. This video is not sponsored, but they still are an amazing company. Krita, super cool. I use it for a bunch of drawing stuff. I've been using it for about 3 months now, and I've loved it already. As I said, a link to both of these things will be in the description below. It will be a link to the Amazon page, and there will also be a link to the download link to krita, or krita, whatever you want to call it. So I'm using a tablet, so I'm actually first getting used to this. I just got it yesterday, so it's gonna take some getting used to for you guys who are trying to get a tablet. But I just if I sound a little different, it's because one, I'm using a different microphone than I usually do. I usually use a Blue Yeti, and right now I'm using a, what's it called? A UHD 920 Ultra Full HD live camera, which has a built-in microphone. Maybe a link to buy this microphone / camera will be in the description. I don't know. But I guess let's just start drawing. So this is a bit of practice for me. It's not really gonna be that good, so we can just draw a little basic stick figure. Oh, and guys, also the download link to download the software for this specific Huion tablet will be in the description. So yeah, check that out, because in order to use it, you need a special software. It's completely free. Also, you saw how I did that like super quick. Like let's say I made that line. I don't want to. I just click Control and then the letter Z, as in zebra, together, and it works like that. So that looks horrible. Okay, I think that's good. Guys, comment down 1 through 10. What do you think? How good do you think this is? Also, I don't know if you guys care about this, but a link to buy the computer I'm using and the monitor I'm using will be in the description below. They are both a little bit costly, because I do have a gaming computer, a gaming monitor. They will be a bit costly. If you have been noticing, I haven't been doing that many Fortnite videos lately. It's because I've switched to Xbox. Because it's just like I feel better using Xbox. So if you see a lack of Fortnite videos, I'm still trying to figure out how to upload videos from my Xbox. But as soon as I'm able to do that, I might even just put them on like a USB or something and bring it up to my computer. If you guys have seen my house tour video, my Lost channel, a link to that channel will be in the description too. You'll know, like, in my living room is where my Xbox is, and my computer hasn't really moved except I've got a better computer. It's literally right outside my room. So, yeah. Now, as I said, I don't want that 2 right there, or whatever I put there. So I just click Control and Z, and I get rid of it. As I said, I'm sorry if I sound different. But I hope you guys enjoyed this short, like, thing on, like, everything I use. As I said, a link to my camera, the tablet and pen I'm using. I'm probably not gonna add speakers because they're pretty crappy speakers. My monitor, my computer, and I think I said my camera already. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Sal, and I'm out. Peace. If you like this video, like it. If you disliked it, dislike it. If you want to, subscribe. If you don't want to, don't subscribe. I'm doing a new hashtag challenge where if anybody at the beginning of the video says, "Oh, if you don't like the video and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, a clown will appear at your door, or a spider will crawl into your mouth while you're sleeping, or you'll wake up to a spider biting you or something," don't listen to it. Dislike the video. Comment hashtag like hungry. I don't care if you watch the channel anymore. You could still be a fan of the channel, but just comment down hashtag like hungry. I will find you. So that sounds kind of creepy. I'll find your YouTube channel, I'll subscribe to it, and I'll watch and like 10 videos of your choosing. Contact information, just send me a screenshot of you guys having, commenting that on somebody's YouTube channel, and just email me your YouTube channel, and email me the name of 10 of your videos that you want me to like and view. My personal email will be in the description. Don't try hacking it. It's not the one linked up to this channel. Don't try hacking it. It's not gonna get you anything. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been Sal, and I'm out. Peace.